All right, so this one is the dark and spooky night, and there's a little bit of magic in here, and that's why we call it that.
Allegedly.
Allegedly, yes. Alleged magic.
Interesting. Whereas the other two were really sweet. This has more of a kind of a sour, a little bit more sophisticated taste. I would say.
Yeah. I would say so too. It was almost like a vodka tonic with the lime, and then it's also got the other stuff. And of course, we made our gummy worms. Now to make these, we put an ice tray and we filled it with half tonic and half water, and then we put the gummy worms in there. And we did that because that's where the magic comes in.
Allegedly, it's supposed to glow in the dark. I haven't seen it yet.
And of course, we can't test it here because then you wouldn't be able to see us.
Yeah, the lights out.
We have to turn all the lights out, and it's not even dark yet. So, but a nice, refreshing drink either way with your spooky worms hidden inside there. And I think they look really cool, actually. And the ice does melt fast, so just get those blocks in right at the end.
So let's take a look and see how we made it.
Now, we did this with pineapple juice, but you could also use white grape juice, which I think would give it maybe more of a sweeter flavor. But it's good. It's really refreshing. Another refreshing drink that if you live in the warm climate, Hawaii or West Coast, anywhere, it's a great Halloween night drink while you're handing out candy.
So this is the third Halloween drink that we've given you. So you can see the other two that are also up there on the YouTube channel. So take a look at them as well. And tell us which one you like best.
Yeah, let us know in the comments here, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed to our channel. And tweet us at UC Foodie TV. We'd love to hear from you there too.
Cheers, happy Halloween.